Just doing the finishing touches before the test drive. What's funny? Just doing the finishing touches before the test drive.
Welcome to part 7 of the pedal-powered motorhome, the episode where we finally go on a trip.
More to your right. Graceful. Definitely quite tight in there. We've got new windows here now. That's some old leftover perspex. Well, we're preparing for the big voyage. This is it. We're going to finally test out whether we can actually sleep in this. We're going to travel to the local forests and the wilds of Epping, where we're going to set up camp and sleep. You can hear the solar panels kicking in there now. We've got 30 watts just trickling in there. We've got the speakers in up here. We've got our stove in here as well, look. There we go, it's on. Nice little round window, it's going to look good. Would you like to sleep in this?
Yeah, I would. I can't tonight. What's for supper?
We're going to have baked beans. We've got a stove.
What's for lunch?
Baked beans. You sure you don't want to come, Charlie Andol?
I'd love to, just prior commitments.
It's a shame. The rain's starting, the wind's up. Charlie looks like some sort of mad lion tamer with a stick. This is it, we're off on the adventure. Getting on board. Okay, you get yourself comfortable.
Oh, there. Got the sun.
We've got the sun powering us along. I feel a bit homesick.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, hurry.
Alright, bye guys!
Bye guys, see you later.
Bye!
Off we go. It's smooth, isn't it?
Well, how do you work the gears?
Got a long way to go. The only way to get around. Doing the indicators. Where are we, Charlie?
I've no idea. I think it's going very well.
Yeah.
It's driving well, isn't it?
It is. Stopped at a garage. Where are we on here? We've got 7 miles to go.
Yeah, and we want a bit of daylight, don't we, to find a good place to stop.
Yeah. Okay, we're off. We're just bumping our way down this track into hopefully some lovely little glade by the night.
Okay. The road forks off a minute so.
I mean, it's just completely wild here. I mean, look, we're in the complete middle of nowhere. It's the wild. Right, we've got a bit of a narrow bit coming in. Well, we're sandwiched. Beds. Look at that. Interior lights. Bread. Wine. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, this is very nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
Okay, beans are on. The beans are on. We're just getting ready for bed. It's very comfortable. It's very cosy.
Lovely beans.
Okay, we're just having the beans.
Like cowboys.
We're like modern day cowboys. It's got the home entertainment centre here. Just got some frying lorry on the go. We've used branches to block up the hole here and a bit of sleeping bag there, and then we've got a jacket across here. We're all tucked up, ready for bed. It's very comfortable. Charlie's in bed here.
Hello.
Comfy, Charlie?
Well, I mean, you know, variously.
You complained a bit about the shelf above you there. I think we'll definitely get a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Whether it'll be a great night's sleep, time will tell. Just woken up, first night in the Cockroach. It's very comfortable. I didn't sleep at all. Charlie slept straight through. How did you sleep, Charlie?
I slept alright, you know. Yeah.
And we went to bed quite early.
Yeah. I felt quite comfortable.
What a comfortable night, eh? It definitely felt like a little home, didn't it?
Like, I think it was like far more doable and comfortable than I imagined it would be. I thought it'd be much more roughing it than that. It's like not much different than staying in the caravan.
Yeah.
Or my ratty little boat.
Yeah, you got low standards.
We're living in the woods, men of the woods. I'm a man who's just spent the night in this. Two eco-warriors have set out to prove that they can make a home on wheels from rubbish.
So we've gotten, I guess, like 10 miles back into London. Not a very good day for solar power, but we've still got plenty of juice. Leaving the wilds, Charlie.
Yes.
The rain's coming down. All right, off we go, back to London. Straight through. It's wet, isn't it? It's tipping it.
Pretty grizzly. Nice in here though, mate.
Yeah. We made it, Charlie.
Ah, homeward. Well, home.
We made it all the way back.
That's the end of part 7. Thanks for watching.